it's Saturday, so there's no college kids or anything knocking about. We're going into Centro because there's a fancy dress, something or other going off today. There's always these stalls here though selling burgers and different things. So Mel's a little bit upset today because I ordered her 2 dresses and they don't fit. And they're lovely dresses, so she's decided she's going to lose a bit of weight, aren't you, babe?
That's what I need to diet.
She only needs to lose a little bit because they're just about fit, it's just a belly. A belly's the problem. But I've told her she'll lose that. So she's decided to do a little bit of my juicing, but not all juicing because you can't go off the food, can you, babe?
Yes, of course.
So her diet today is the cider vinegar and what else, Mel? What else you had today?
That's nothing now.
What have you got in your...
noodles.
What have you, yeah, noodles. And what you got in your bag, Mel?
There's nothing there.
She's got a hot dog in a bag and a bun.
Hot dog?
Yeah, hot dog. No, not a real dog. That's what we call a sausage in a burger. Are you in a better mood today?
Hello.
Hey?
Hello. Hello.
We're going to put you in a monastery. Your mum's so cruel, isn't she? So again, we'd like to thank Adrian and Connie for the fridge freezer.
Yeah, thank you.
And we'd like to say thank you to Bill for the other St. Matthew, wasn't it?
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, like that. Sent one for me as well.
And then get well soon, Bill.
And get better soon, Bill. We've really been concerned about you, seriously. Mel's been really upset. Bill's a veteran. Really proud of him. He was in the Vietnam War, and as many might know, there was a lot of that Agent Orange dumped in Vietnam, for want of a better word, and Bill's suffering from that now. And he also has type 2 diabetes. The diabetes should be enough, but he's going through the wars, bless him, with his legs and what have you. But he goes to the VA. Hello, little put it up. But he goes to the VA hospital, and they're looking after him. He's very pleased with the medical care he's getting. Where's your hand, babe? That's it. So, yeah, like we say, Bill, praying for you, my friend, and hope everything gets better soon. And you can come to the Philippines. Oh, you don't want to hold Daddy's hand? Fair enough.
This one, they will just later for the parade.
Yeah. So this is part of the parade.
Yeah, later.
Oh yeah. So this is our local barangay, and obviously, as a lot will know, the barangay is always involved in these parades and stuff.
Is it 28 or 27? Barangay of here in Naga.
28 or 27? What do you mean, babe?
Barangay.
That's how many there is?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
I'm not sure, it's 27 or 28.
Yeah, well, it's no good asking me, is it? I normally ask you. I ain't got a clue. You know, I just get up in the morning with a smile on my face because I'm in the Philippines, and there's a lot of people I know isn't. Anyway, I've been wanting to ask you, what's different about you, Mel?
It's different.
Yeah.
It's different.
Well, your eyebrows look different. What's going on?
Is it good?
Huh?
Is it good?
Yeah, I love it. I love it. Yeah. See now.
It's a tattoo.
Yeah, can you get in? Because you're really scaring me, babe. Alright, I'll get on the outside. Now, Mel come to me the other week and she said, can I have 3,000 pesos
Not
Two-
3,000.
It was 3,000.
6,000.
Oh, 6,000.
6,000.
I thought it was 3,000. Oh, I beg your pardon. You see, I heard wrong. You see, if you'd have said 6, I'd have fainted. And, and then I said, I said, what do you want the 6,000 for? Thank you. What do you want the 6,000 for? She says, to get my eyebrows done.
Yeah.
It's like, what do you mean get your eyebrows done? It didn't cost you 6,000 to get your eyebrows plucked. She says, no, to get my eyebrows tattooed.
It's a like, yeah, it's semi-tattoo, microblading.
Microblading?
Yeah, microblading.
It's like, oh God.
Yeah, but I changed my mind.
Yeah, so I said yes and give her the money. Get one. And give her the money. And then 2 days later, she give me the money back and says, I've changed my mind. So then she goes on the internet and they show her how to do it. So she's done it herself.
Yeah, no, because after,
Yes, no?
After like 1 to 2, 3 years old, it will be faded.
Yeah.
Faded.
Look
So
bad.
I'm not happy, so I changed my mind. No, no.
So this might not turn out well, guys, because it's starting to rain and the sky, as you can see, is pretty black. So we might be in for a bit of a downpour. So we'll have to see. Wow, we've had to stop. The rain's getting harder. And we don't want to get wet, so rain might stop play, guys, so might as well have a little talk about things. So anyway, you know from recent videos I get a lot of private messages and stories, which is really, I love to get stories, especially the ones that is good stories and not disasters, where unfortunately I get more disasters than I get good. And you know, this guy's asking me why. Basically what he did is he started watching me videos from the beginning and he saw my house that I had. There's some pictures on one of the videos that I put on of my other house and me Mercedes and me Suzuki Swift and me Suzuki 650 sports bike. And he says, why did you give all that up to come here? And he says, I'm not trying to offend, but I'm sure you'll agree, live in a slum. Yeah, I'm living in a slum, I agree. Just to be with somebody half your age and now you've got 2 kids, you're on a low budget, blah, blah, blah. Well, listen, I've had lots of messages similar to that. And the thing is, I would not give up what I've got. If I could turn back time before I set off here, give a £26,000 a year job up to come here. I had 3 houses. They weren't all mine in regards to that I had mortgages on them, big mortgages. So I was basically working for nothing every week. I was working 6, sometimes 7 days a week, just so I could have extra money for some my time. And apart from going to the gym and a handful of friends I had, I didn't really go out that much. I wasn't bothered about drinking. And you know, you can have all the friends in the world, but as soon as it gets late at night, 7 o'clock, you shut that door, you could be on the loneliest place in the planet. You know, your house could be anywhere, doesn't matter where it is. You know, my family aren't close. My kids have gone their own way. You know, there's nothing for me to be in the UK for. Now the thing is, guys, if you've got a great life in the country you live in, for example, you've still got your mum and dad, maybe you've still got, your kids are very close, you know, all your family's very close, you've got a good social life, you've got a great job, you've got a nice income. Yeah, well, why would you want to come and live in the Philippines unless you could love yeah, you've got to love, unless you could live in a really nice part of the Philippines in a nice property and, you know, live the high life. Why would you want to do that? This isn't for everybody. But on the other side of the coin, if you're sitting there listening to this now, you've just closed the door at the end of the day, you've either retired or you're about to retire, you're not on a massive income, and your life where you are is going to be pretty lonely, then the Philippines or another Asian country is probably for you.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.